A meristematic tissue is a group of young, immature, undifferentiated cells which are almost always under a continuous state of cell division, forming new cells. The meristematic tissues exhibit certain very important characteristic features which are not found in the permanent tissues. The unique qualities of these meristematic tissues are that they perform cell division continuously. The cells have different kinds of shapes. They may be spherical, oval, polygonal, rectangular in shape. The cell wall of these cells are generally thin, built up of only cellulose. They do not exhibit any intercellular spaces between the cells, and they are interconnected by means of small openings through which the protoplast is under continuous flow from one cell to another, called plasmodesmata. A meristematic cell has a large nucleus and very dense cytoplasm. They do have certain plastids in the preliminary stage and are called proplastids. The vacuoles, which are generally seen in matured plant cells, are absent. Sometimes when they are present, they are very small. The non-living materials are generally absent. Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes in the meristematic cells are less complex in their nature. The cells generally exhibit high rate of respiration because respiration releases energy, and that is required for cell metabolism and active cell division. Reserve food materials and inorganic crystals are generally absent in meristems. These meristems occupy certain definite spots in the plant body. Based on these positions, the meristems are broadly classified into three types, namely apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. Apical meristems, as the very name signifies, are present at the extreme tip of the stem, root, and branches. They form the growing point at the apices of the stems and roots. Intercalary meristems are present intercalated or inserted and are held between two masses of permanent tissues. Internally, meristems are present generally at the base of the leaf and at the base of each internode. It helps in the rapid elongation of the plant parts and are short-lived. Lateral meristems, as the very name signifies, are positioned at the lateral sides of the stem and roots of the gymnosperms and dicots. Here the cells divide in a longitudinal plane, that is what is called periclinal division, resulting in the increase in the girth of the plant. The cambium present between the xylem and phloem, called intravesicular cambium, as well as the cambium that develops between the vascular bundles, called intervesicular cambium, and also the cork cambium that develops in old dicot stems, are the examples for lateral meristems present in plants. Among these meristems, the apical meristem and intercalary meristem are designated as primary meristems because they appear early in the life of a plant and contribute to the formation of the primary plant body. The meristem that occurs in mature regions of the roots and the shoots of many plants, particularly those of woody plants, they appear later than the primary meristem, and they give rise to secondary tissues, and hence they are called secondary meristems. Following divisions of the cells in both primary as well as secondary meristems, the newly formed cells become structurally and functionally specialized and after some time lose their ability to divide. Such cells which have lost their ability to divide and develop into mature cells constitute the permanent tissues.